The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. I sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a hologram. You shall find all remains to be discovered.
Meet Shy, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shy always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the Powerup, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shy's told him, "Nice gadget, really, but you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane." Shy took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shy's unbelievably magical invention, Powerup 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Powerup 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Powerup 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front, there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shy learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Powerup 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shy made it really cool. Powerup 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it. The prototype is fully functional and the super ultra magical Powerup 3 is ready for production. This is where Shy needs your magic beans. If you help Shy get to 1,400 backers, you'll help him bring the joy of flight to everyone and obtain the privilege to look down on regular paper planes for the rest of your life. So back Powerup 3 and help make the magical, magical-er.
We at RoboLink wanted to develop a special drone, one that could help people learn how to code. When we first launched CodeDrone, we immediately became a hit at CES. CodeDrone was even selected as one of the top 10 finalists of Last Gadget Standing for Most Innovative Product. Our focus with CodeDrone is simple. We want to help people become better coders while having fun in the process. We can't.
Creation. It's at the very core of education. When we teach, we create knowledge, we create drive, and we create possibility. The goal at Sphero has been to instill the desire to create in everyone and give them the tools to do so. While laying the foundation for computer science and programming, our Spark program is also about discovery and the belief that the best lessons are the ones we teach ourselves. With a toolset like Spark that is accessible and unbounded in its potential, you can give students a challenge and let them discover the rest. It's not our role to limit young minds and place them on one set path, but to knock down the barriers and let them forge their own. At Sphero, we see this creativity at work every day. We see kids thinking outside the box and asking their teachers how they can do more and be more. Spark is comprised of an amazing community of students, educators, and leaders that will help us discover our future. And we're just getting started. So, get inspired, get coding, and get creative. Make and keep making.